In this video, I'm going to show you two ways you can shut down your computer system using the keyboard shortcut. Welcome to Ebsol Tech, a channel where I show you your roadmap to tech excellence. Let's begin. Number one, to shut down your computer system, press Alt F4 on your Windows PC. Then you can see all you need to do after you have pressed it, just click OK and your PC will shut down immediately. That is how it works. Number two, press the Windows button and X on your keyboard. Then you will see this interface where you can easily shut down your computer. Just click on shut down and your computer system will shut down immediately. That is how it works. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thank you. See you in my next video.